Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to add Linktree on Instagram, then this is the right video for you. First, go to linktr.ee on your browser and then tap on Add Link. Type in instagram.com and then tap on Add. Now, go to Appearance. Scroll down and select a theme that you like. After it's done, copy the link of this web page. Then go to bit.ly.com and tap on Create your first link. Now, paste the link that you copied. After that, put in a title if you want. Once it's done, scroll down and tap on Create. Now open your Instagram app and go to Profile on the bottom right. Tap on Edit Profile, then add link. Now add external link and put in the bit.ly URL. After that, save and it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.